Let's face it, mamas. Getting an invitation to a gorgeous destination wedding should feel like a dream vacation, but when you are a breastfeeding or pumping mom, it instantly triggers a minor panic attack. You start stressing about how to look absolutely stunning in a high-end dress while figuring out how to pump ounces of liquid gold in a fancy venue bathroom without ruining your look. Finding a bridesmaid or wedding guest dress that is nursing-friendly but still looks incredibly chic and bougie is a total challenge. But do not worry, you do not have to settle for frumpy fabrics or sacrifice your style. Today, we are spilling the tea on the absolute best nursing-friendly dresses that are perfect for travel, look high-end, and make feeding your baby a total breeze. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your favorite spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury lifestyle. Being a nursing mom doesn't mean you stop attending fabulous events or taking vacations. But it does mean your wedding wardrobe needs to be a major game changer. Grab a glass of champagne and let's dive into the ultimate guide to looking gorgeous on the big day. First up, let us talk about the baseline rule for destination wedding style, the fabric choice. When packing a gown into your designer suitcase for a flight to a beautiful resort, wrinkles are your worst enemy. Look for luxury fabrics like high-quality heavy satin, high-end modal blends, or premium stretch crepe. These materials drape beautifully, flatter your postpartum body, and hold up amazingly well during travel. You want to look for hidden structural magic like a gorgeous true wrap design or a deep V-neck. A high-quality wrap dress is a literal lifesaver because it allows you to adjust the fit as your chest size shifts throughout the day, ensuring you look like $1,000,000 while keeping access fast and completely effortless. Next, let's talk about the actual mechanics of nursing while looking fabulous, because no mama wants to be completely undressing in a crowded venue. The secret to staying glamorous is finding dresses with clever, invisible access points. High-end contemporary brands are now designing dresses with hidden side zippers or delicate shoulder snaps that look completely intentional but allow you to slip a cordless, wearable pump like an LV right into your bodice. If you are a bridesmaid, look for brands that offer convertible necklines. You can style the straps into a gorgeous halter for the ceremony, and then easily untie or shift the fabric when it is time to pump a few ounces before the reception begins. It is all about maintaining that high-end aesthetic while keeping your stress levels at absolute zero. Finally, we have to talk about the ultimate wedding day survival hacks for pumping mamas on the move. When heading out the door, your accessories need to work double duty. Ditch the giant, clunky diaper bag for the evening and opt for a sleek, luxury travel chula disguised as a chic clutch, or use an insulated pouch slipped into your favorite designer handbag to keep your milk cold for hours. Pair your gorgeous dress with a premium, seamless pumping bra that provides excellent lift but drops down instantly. Before the dancing starts, sneak away to a quiet room, use your wearable pump, and secure those ounces without a single guest realizing you just crushed a pumping session. Looking spectacular and feeding your baby can absolutely go hand in hand. With the right luxury dresses and a few smart hacks, you can rock any wedding guest look with total confidence. If you loved these style tips and want more real talk on luxury motherhood, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate wedding guest hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers, mamas.